students, welcome to class. In our previous lesson, we discussed about painting, still life painting, how to distribute colors, how to indicate the different shade of colors when painting. This week, we are going to look at another aspect of painting, which is nature painting. We are going to paint simple fruit. We are going to apply the different techniques in indicating shades in our painting, the application of white to colors to indicate tint, the application of black to a dark color to indicate shade, and how to blend when painting. Join me in my practical class as we carry out this exercise. Okay, I'm about to start painting a simple fruit, and I have my materials like brushes for painting, colors, poster colors, and these are the materials I'm going to use to carry out this exercise. So now I'm going to paint a fruit. The first thing I need to do is to apply my first color. Now my source of light is coming from my right hand side, and which will determine the kind of colors I'm going to use. Since the source of light is coming from my right hand side, all the colors that falls within this region will be light. I'm going to tint them. I'm going to add white to every color I'm going to use. I intend to use on these areas. Okay, now you can see that after adding my white to the first layer of colors I just applied on this drawing, this white indicates highlight or tint. So you can see that already immediately started adding white to it, the hue or the color has already changed. So I also decided to add other colors to it. As I'm applying these colors, don't forget that I also need to blend. this part is far from the source of light. So I need to add some other dark colors to indicate the dark part of it. I'm trying to blend the various colors together. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying to. It is a leaf that is at the top of this fruit. I'm trying to bring it out so you can see a complete fruit. Students, you can observe that after applying these colors, I keep on blending. How do you blend? After applying your colors, you just need to make sure your brush take some quantity of water and you rub. Just rub to make the colors you've applied uniform so that they can harmonize. If you try to harmonize the colors together. This my shadow cast, because the source of light is coming from the right hand side, so my shadow cast will come within this region. And I need to make it dark a little bit, and also the colors that are actually used on the body of this fruit must also reflect a little on the shadow cast. Now, my highlight is not too clear, so I still have to add white to it to show that the source of light is coming from this angle. So I have to apply more white to the colors I've applied here already. Then again, try to blend. So I just apply fresh grain on it, so I need to blend to, to harmonize so that the colors can be harmonized. Really, I add white to it, you see how the colors are. Okay. Um, we are going to stop here today. We are going to stop here today. Hope you must have learned how to apply colors and how to mix your colors when it comes to painting on fruit, simple fruit. I actually worked on an apple. So in class we are going to paint some other fruits, and I expect you to do better than what we have here. Do make sure you attempt our quizzes, uh, assignments, and I would love to see you in class doing painting days. Make sure when painting your colors, your painting, your drawings does not starve colors. So, okay, we're going to stop here today. See you in class. Have a nice day.